In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the theme of your GitHub account. And as a software developer, we don't usually prefer the light theme. Here you can see I have just created a new account and I have a light theme here by default. We as a software developer usually don't prefer light theme because we have to work for long hours on a screen writing the code. So we just prefer dark theme. How you can change the dark theme on your GitHub account? First, you have to log into your GitHub account. Here, what you have to do is that you have to just go to your right side. You have to click on a profile and you just have to click on settings. Here you have to see the settings. You have to click on settings, and from the settings, from the left panel, you can see you have a account. Right under it there is an option called appearance. You have to click on appearance, and the appearance, then it says that this is a theme preferences and there is a theme mode. This is a light theme. You can just select whatever you want. This is a theme, you can change it, and this is the dark theme. But if you want, this is how you can make the dark theme out here. And you can also select more, like this is another thing, like you will have repositories with a red color, and there are so many other options that you can select. This is a high resolution theme, and there are more options out here that you can try. This is again the light theme and all of this stuff. If you want to just change this thing permanently, then you have to click here on theme mode, and you just have to, this is option sync with system. It's a default option. You can select a single theme, and from the single theme you can just select all of these things on the dark default, dark high contrast, dark dimmed, and each and everything that according to your preferences you can just select whatever you want. So I've just selected the dark default, and this is your new theme on your GitHub profile. And again, you can just select more emoji skin tone preferences. If you want to use some emojis, you can select from here. I'm selecting this. Tab size preferences, choose the number of spaces a tab, and all of the other things. This is how you can change the theme in your GitHub account. I hope you like this video. I hope you understand how you can change the theme in your GitHub account.